The class has to be capital, and they're created so you can test the code. MPT done. Start with the main module. Public static void tab. Import scanner. Java.util scanner java.util. Start with simple out. Yeah, I can do that. Creating a variable to receive this scanner, and then system.out. Enter a number between 1 and 5, and then we need yes. The next integer will be saved to n, or it'll be n. That's fine. Scanner variable is sc int, and I'm gonna say number. No. And then I'll do an if statement. The point of this code is to generate a random number between 1 and 5, and ask the user to input a number and use that number to generate a number between 1 and 5. Okay, system out, enter the number between, I've already done this a few times. Between 1 and 5. Int number equals, okay. And so I need to do some exception handling. Enter number between 1 and 5. System. All right, I did that. So that's what this should be. If number is the number is greater than 0, or number greater than 5, that's this is the exception. This is what we'll do. Enter a number between 1 and 5. Else if number is greater than 0, and so ampersands, and the number is less than 6, then we'll generate a random number. And to generate the random number, we'll create a variable for that. So int random equals int, and we're typecasting because usually the random gives you like a decimal point between 0 and like 1.0, and we'll multiply this times 5, so it'll give us at greatest the number 5, something between 0 and 5. That looks about right. And then we have to do the output. System.out random number. Yep, that's it. Okay. Enter a number between 1 and 5. I'll say 6. It says enter a number between 1 and 5. So that So yeah, so I'll put this here, and for the exception, I'll say invalid input, and I'll try it again, and I will say 4. And it gives me 18, so that's wrong. I know this needs to be a 1 plus. And this number needs to be less than 6. So that's correct. Typecast. Why would it give me 18 and a number between 1 and 5? Okay. I'm gonna typecast here. Try that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, this I don't have to add a number here. I think that was the reason. Um, and then I can do the typecasting here. This should just be a random number. Okay, enter number between 1 and 5, 2. Gives me 5. Try it again. 7. Invalid input. Enter number between 1 and 5. 4. Gives me 1. That's it. And I will do this one more time. New project. Interview. Interview for attempt. This is probably 5. No, create this window. Did that. Source code. New package. Attempt 5. Attempt. Okay. And new class. Now I need to do a scanner. Take this out. Public. Static void main. Main module. Import the scan. We're assigning the scanner to a variable. Output. System.out. Enter a number between between 1 and 5. And then we will assign it to next int. Yep, that looks good. We'll assign it to the variable number. And the point of this code is to take a number from a user and generate that number of random characters, or create enter a number of random characters, but the number of characters has to be between 1 and 5. Okay. So we did the system out. I'm going to do an if statement for exception handling. So if lowercase, if the number is great less than 0, if 0 is less than the number, or number, if number is less than 0, number less than 0, or number is greater than 5, then we'll system out, numbers out of range, enter number between 1 and 5. Enter a number between 1 and 5. And then the next step would be, what we actually want to do. So this was the exception, and then so else if number is greater than 0 and less than 5, ampersands, and then we will generate a random number. So we'll assign a variable to we'll get a variable and random number here equals, so it's typecasting the random function, because that generates a number between 0 and 1.0. So it would give us, like, I guess it's called like a real, but this will give us an integer. And after we get this number, I'm not going to multiply times that. I'm going to do 5, because that'll give us a maximum of 5. And then system.out, random number. I think this is right. If number is greater than 1. If number is greater than or equal to 1, or greater than 0, and number is less than 5, we'll do this. Yeah, this looks right. I'll say 77. Numbers out of range, enter a number between 1 and 5. So try again, and I'll say 4. It gives me 2. I say 1, 2, gives me 2, 1. This gives me 2. Oh Lord. I'll try it again. 5. Okay. So if the number is less than 6, it needs to be 6. And int math.random. I'll try this again. I'm going to say 5, and it gave me 4, 3, and it gave me 4. 2, and it gave me 1. Okay, so that was just the odds. Okay, that's it.